All right, so got a new gift for the z06 today. It's actually a real spoiler appearance item. Easy to put on, 2 bolts, good to go. Just gonna do an unboxing, let you see kind of what comes from GM. This is supposed to have the Jake logo on it, which I don't know how I feel about, so we'll see. All right, so let's get started. All right, so you can see it's an unboxing. It's kind of small box, so I was expecting something bigger. And this is our centerpiece. Looks way bigger in the pictures. It's tiny. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, $350 for this. I did get on Black Friday deal, so it's like 20% off. So I think with shipping and stuff, it was like, I don't know, $330 or something like that. Oh man. All right, this is it. You can kind of see. Tiny little thing. Oh man, I don't know why, I was expecting something bigger. All right, so we'll get this put on and see kind of what. Okay, a couple things. So you have to clean the Wicker area off right here. I'm clean that in a second. I just want to kind of show you how it fits on. The car's dirty, I've been driving it. So it looks like it presses. It's got double-sided tape on this side, so you're going to take that off, take those bolts loose, press it, and then put some bolts on, and then line it up as you do it, and make sure it's all clean, obviously. And that's kind of what it's going to look like. I don't know, I was kind of expecting a little bit bigger of an item. This is pretty small. Looks like, I like the Jake logo. Some people don't like it, I like it. I just wish this stuck up a little higher. It's just not a lot of bang for the buck right now, so we'll see what it looks like when we get done. All right, so I went online looking for the install video. GM really has like a crappy setup to that. I mean, this all looks pretty self-explanatory. So clean the area, which I did. Taking the Torx bit. It's a Torx 20, in case anybody's wondering. And then it's going to clean the surface really good. It comes with a wipe to do that, mainly to the attachment surface, which is right here. So I'm cleaning that really good. We're going to let that air out. And I've already taken the Torx 20s off. And then from there, it just sets on, you just bolt it on. Only thing I don't like is you can't take this thing on and off. So, you know, if you don't want the downforce, tough, because once you put it on there, it's on there. So it's going to slow the car down just a hair in that respect. So let's see if we can do this here. So I'm going to take off sticky. Actually, you know what? That's not a stick. Yeah, it is too. Okay. All right. It gets to the stick and a paint cushion. So it comes with longer bolts. You can see here, it's got 2 longer ones to kind of allow for this to set in there. So I'm gonna just start this one, or press it up against. Get both parts started, and then start this other one. Before I put any pressure on it and get it leveled. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to start taking these bolts up, and then I'll do the full press here in just a second. Could have used Loctite, which probably should have put some blue Loctite on it, just keep that bolt in there from backing out. Because I'm sure this gets vibration, but hopefully with the sticky tape it's fine. They may come with torque settings. I know these are all plastic, so I'm not going too crazy with it. Okay, so it's now on. It looks to me like this hasn't pressed up against here. So I'm gonna hold pressure. See if I can get it to here. There's a slight gap. So we'll hold pressure. All right, we'll stay tuned. Okay, so it's installed. Like I said, about 300 bucks from GM, depending on when you get your deal. This is what it looks like on the back. It's pretty small, only about 3 or 4 inches sticking out. And then down here, you can kind of see the jake and how it sits flush, and then it's got double-sided tape right there. So I don't know. What do you think? I like it. Is it worth 300 bucks? I don't know. It's definitely okay as long as you're not going to the z06 spooler. So I think in that regards, looks pretty good. So anyways, so that's it. So stay tuned. Next mod's gonna be sound. That's where I'm coming at next. So this will be a short little video, just kind of showing you guys that in case anybody's thinking about buying it. So all right, let me know what you think.